How to log into PNC Core Visa credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about logging into your PNC Core Visa credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser and then type in PNC Core Visa credit card login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites, from where click on the initial one that is indicating PNC Core Visa credit card. And once you click on it, you will be taken to this kind of interface. Now, in order to sign into your PNC Core Visa credit card, you have to click on the sign in button that is in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, enter the user ID in the first field, followed by the password in the second field. And check this box of remember user ID if you want this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Now, in the case if you have forgotten your ID and the password, click on this link of forgot ID and password in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. Now, after entering the user ID and the password in the first and the second field, click on the login button that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your PNC credit card account. Now click to manage account, details, pay bills, transfer funds, view rewards, and submit the service request. Access your credit card accounts including the balance, available credit, credit limit, cash advance, APR minimum payment due, and past statements. View 13 months of transactions, search by date, description, amount, and export to the financial software. You can access up to 48 months of online statements by opting out for the paper. Also pay your credit card from your PNC checking account through the funds transfer. You can request a credit limit increase, dispute a transaction, or change your address as well. You can also get the real-time alerts through the email or the text for the online, international, or the large transactions. You can also check your credit card reward balances, redeem them online. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your PNC Core Visa credit card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.